Welcome everyone to my very first point of view video. I'm not too sure exactly how well it's going to work out. It's the very first time I have ever done this, so I'm not sure if you can see me, but yeah, in the mirror I've got this attractive GoPro strap on my head. And what I just thought I'd do is I've got the mic just so I could speak, but also what I was thinking is if I might be able to pick up a bit of audio while I'm driving, like the induction of the engine and just kind of what the exhaust sounds like. It's nothing fancy, but just to do something a little bit different. I'm going to sellotape the mic now, I think, to side of the dashboard more towards the front left corner of the car, so that I can maybe pick up a bit more of the induction while I'm driving. I might speak a little bit during it as well, just letting you know sort of what the car feels like. And then I'm just sort of a few miles from home really. It's a nice drive. I've do this quite a lot, and I'm just going to go up to sort of the higher point, turn around, and then what I'll do is I'll do some audio of the exhaust on the way back down. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. So let's get to it. The drive up here. Hoping the audio did turn out quite nice. I love the induction sound on the car. It sounds awesome. The steering definitely feels better with the suspension. It feels flat, but I think with the new shocks, a lot better. Sort of over the bumps now, I'm sure it's probably picking up some rattles and whatnot in the car. I'm hoping to sort of sort some of that out in the future. But also, people have a lot of negativity on what the brake upgrade did to this car, because I used like EBC stuff and the green stuff pads. I can tell you now, after doing probably even just about 50, 60, 70 miles, it says to do about 200 to 300, the brakes already feel, I'd say, basically as good as they were when they were just the standard ones. So I can't wait till the point when they're fully bedded in, because I think then there's definitely going to be a difference with the braking. They already feel good now, so it was just a matter of it took time to bed in, and they've got yet more to bed in. So I'm going to put the audio out the back and let's see what the exhaust sounds like on the way back down. Work out as well on the way back. As you can see, I've got traffic ahead, so can't sort of be as spirited with the driving, but what I'll do is I'll do a little bit of an update while still doing the point of view. As you can see, it's such a nice view here. To think this is pretty much on our doorstep is awesome. I really enjoyed the view. It's a shame it is a bit cloudy and a bit foggy kind of looking today, but yeah, the car sort of feels really good on the road. The brakes are awesome. I listen to the induction. I just think just the cone filter on these cars makes such a difference. Hopefully the audio picks up. Sounds so good. And that's the brakes. Oh yeah, they're pretty good. They are really good. That was probably only about 60% pressure. So yeah, they do feel really good. Braking. Oh yeah, that is good brakes. That is really good brakes, and I'm really happy with that now. You know what, even if they weren't any better than that, that is good braking. I mean, it actually sort of pushed me forward into the seat. So as a passenger, if you weren't able to sort of pre-brace to sort of, you know you're going to do your own braking, so you kind of, do you stop yourself? But I think as a passenger, you would definitely feel that. So it's definitely getting better than the standard brakes, that's for sure. So very happy with that. The suspension feels great. I think the car as a whole now is really coming on. I can't wait to get more done to the outside of this, but I think when I get to do the performance mods, that's when like point of views are going to be a lot better. Having the kind of mic and the GoPro strapped to near the exhaust and hearing what the induction sounds like will be awesome. But yeah, I just thought I'd continue the video. I haven't got time, so I'm just on my sort of dinner break. I thought I'd pop out, do a quick spin, do my first point of view. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. It's quite nice to sort of see what the car's like from my point of view, and listening to it as well. Just a shame that I've hit with traffic. But it's really hard, isn't it, to like, you know, have a road all to yourself. As much as we'd all love that, nope, you do have to contain with it. I was pretty lucky on the way up, got a really clear run, no one in front, you could enjoy the view. But yeah, we're kind of heading down now into the valley. Up high was where it's really nice, but yeah, it's a really nice drive. It's a short little spin, but you know, you can do sort of 50 odd miles an hour down here. I can't remember if it's 50 or national speed limit. But yeah, there is some national speed limits around here. That section back there was 50, I think. So it's just nice. It's a nice kind of speed just to, you know, give it some sort of blasts in second and third gear. And the thing is, that's the thing with this car, that's kind of all I'm looking for from it. It's just a nice car to go out and have a bit of fun. You know, enjoy the drive, enjoy the views of wherever I've chose to go for a drive or the day out. I'm not looking to have it as a track car. You know, I want to take it to shows once, you know, the way I've discussed the interior and when I've done everything to the outside. I'm hoping it's going to be one of these cars that, you know, people will like to come and look at and sit in maybe, you know, because I've done things to it that others haven't. I'm trying to sort of really smarten up the inside, which hopefully, you know, is coming along, and it's showing you what you can do with a Mark 6. Like, I think when you first see one, they look a little bit dated. You know, once you've done like little touches here and there and bought new stuff for them, you can really modernize them. I feel like I think I've mentioned this in another video before, it's like I'm making a version of a Mark 6 Plus, or I know this is a facelift, but you get the idea. It's like a 6.5. It's like an upgrade to the Mark 6. Yeah, pretty lucky to live like in this part of the country, really. Lots of nice roads like this, and hopefully as the weather's getting better, because we've had some terrible weather. This is the first time I've actually been able to go out, and as you can see, dry roads. It's rained and rained and rained and rained, and I've not been able to come out, so I thought this is a good time to sort of take the opportunity. It's not been raining, to do this video. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. You know, comment below on what you thought. Would you like to see more videos like this? Do you want me to just talk? Do you want me to not talk at all and maybe just do videos of purely what the audio sounds like from inside the cabin, let's say? Yeah, just let me know what you think, because I want to make videos both because I enjoy making them, but also because you know, I like the idea of everyone watching them and enjoying them as well. We're pretty much now back towards the normal road, so I'm going to leave the video there, everyone. Thanks all for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.